(2022) Lexus RX, choosing the right trim. Other than a rejuvenated exterior paint palette, the 2022 Lexus RX returns with no significant changes. Maintaining its position as the top-selling Lexus model, the RX is furnished for 5 or up to 7 passengers in its RXL guise. Keeping the RX grade straight requires very little. There are only 2 trim levels, Base and F Sport. Either is available in the regular length. However, the aforementioned longer L version only comes with the base trim. So, the gasoline model grades are the RX 350, RX 350 F Sport, and RX 350L. You can pick between front-wheel drive, FWD, and all-wheel drive, AWD. Adding AWD is a $1,400 upcharge. Lexus also offers a hybrid version called the RX 450H. As with the RX 350, the hybrid comes as the RX 450H, the RX 450H F Sport, and the RX 450HL. FWD is not available in the hybrid. It is strictly AWD, no matter the grade. Other than the hybrid system, the RX 450H versions have essentially the same standard content as their RX 350 counterparts. Although the RX hasn't changed much since a major updating in 2020, it bristles with current connectivity technology. Plus, it has a comprehensive suite of driver aids in the form of the Lexus Safety System 2.0 Plus. Power and fuel economy. Rotating the wheels of the RX 350 versions by way of an 8-speed automatic transmission is a 3.5-liter V6 engine. It produces 295 horsepower and 263 lb-ft of torque in the regular length RX. Because of a difference in the exhaust system, the RX 350L gives up a few ponies to 290 HP. Government estimates put the fuel efficiency of the RX 350 FWD at 20 miles per gallon in the city, 28 mpg on the highway, and 23 mpg in combined driving. The RX 350L FWD drops a bit to 19/26/22. With AWD, the estimate for the RX 350 is 19 mpg city, 26 mpg highway, and 22 mpg combined. Opting for AWD on the RX 350L lowers the numbers to 18/25/21. Also using a 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine, the RX 450H models supplement the gas engine with 3 electric motors, one for each axle, and the third helps out with the RX's electrical components. The hybrid system generates a total of 308 HP. Strictly a foul weather system, the electric AWD isn't engineered for true off-roading. Dressed out as the regular length RX 450H, the estimated mileage numbers are 30 mpg city, 28 mpg highway, and 30 mpg combined. As the 7-passenger RX 450HL, the numbers drop to 29/28/29 mpg. 2022 Lexus RX 350, starting at $46,895. Standard content includes 18-inch aluminum wheels, LED exterior lights, bi-LED auto on-off headlights, tail lights, and daytime running lights, and heated power outboard mirrors with integrated turn signals. Among the other standard features are synthetic leather seats, 10-way power front seats, reclining 40/20/40 split folding rear seats, rain-sensing wipers, keyless entry, push-button start, and 3 12-volt power ports. Dual-zone automatic climate control is also standard. Infotainment features include an 8-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity with voice recognition, a 9-speaker audio system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, HD radio, and 6 USB ports. Also standard is the Lexus Safety System 2.0 Plus with forward collision warning with emergency braking, lane departure warning with steering assist, lane keeping assist, and lane tracing assist. Other driver aids included are blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, high beam assist, and adaptive cruise control. Choosing the RX 350L, $48,150, adds a power folding and reclining third-row seat, a tri-zone automatic climate system, and 2 more USB ports. A limited edition, 2,100 units, RX 350 Black Line, $49,450, includes special exterior colors, 20-inch black wheels, black exterior accents, black wood interior accents, and light gray stitching on the black upholstery. All sorts of options in the form of stand-alone options and option packages are available. For 2022, fog lamps can now be added as an individual option, rather than being bundled into a package. Adding the $1,075 destination fee to the RX 350 base price totals $47,970. Financing that amount with no money down for 60 months at 3% interest works out to $862 per month. 2022 Lexus RX 350 includes LED exterior lights. These include bi-LED headlights, tail lights, and daytime running lights. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto interface with your car's multimedia system to provide your smartphone's most important functions. Lexus Safety System 2.0 plus a full suite of driver aids. 2022 Lexus RX 350 F Sport, starting at $48,800. Opting for the RX 350 F Sport adds 20-inch alloy wheels, a unique grille, an F Sport meter, and some interior appearance upgrades. Also included are front/rear performance dampers, F Sport steering wheel, and scored aluminum pedals. An optional F Sport handling package, $1,050, includes an adaptive variable suspension, sport-tuned power steering, a Sport S and drive mode, unique heated and ventilated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Adding the $1,075 destination fee to the RX 350 F Sport's base price comes to $49,875. With no money down, financing that amount for 60 months at 3% interest works out to a monthly payment of $896. 2022 Lexus RX 350 F Sport includes performance dampers located front and rear. These dampers tie the left and right sides of the suspension together and absorb energy from the chassis. They enhance handling and comfort. Scored aluminum pedals. They provide a better grip and look sportier than standard rubber pedals. Available handling package. It upgrades the suspension to an adaptive sport suspension and includes other performance goodies. 2022 Lexus RX 450h, starting at $48,020. With the exception of the hybrid system and its extra cost, the RX 450h versions pretty much mirror the RX 350 ones. RX 450HL, $51,410, is the hybrid version of the RX 350L. Lexus is also offering the limited edition, 400 units, of the RX 450h Black Line, $52,150. As with the RX 350, Lexus offers a multitude of options and option packages. Adding the $1,075 destination fee to the RX 450h base price totals $49,095. Financing that amount for 60 months with no money down at 3% interest works out to $882 per month. 2022 Lexus RX 450h includes dual-zone automatic climate control. It divides the vehicle into left and right zones with separate temperature settings for each. Once the temperature is set, the system maintains those preset temps. Rain-sensing wipers. When the system senses moisture on the windshield, it automatically engages the wipers. The wiper speed adjusts according to the volume of the rain. LED exterior lights. These include the bi-LED headlights, tail lights, and daytime running lights. 2022 Lexus RX 450h F Sport, starting at $51,500. This is the same as the RX 350 F Sport, except for the hybrid drivetrain. The F Sport handling package is the same as that of the RX 350 F Sport, but here it's a $970 upcharge. After adding the $1,075 destination fee to the RX 450HF Sport base price, the total comes to $52,575. Financing that amount with no money down for 60 months at 3% interest works out to $945 per month.
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two.